So thank you for joining us, guys. My name is Nilesh. I'm here with BridgeLabz as a alumni relations manager. With us, we have Azharuddin today. Azharuddin is a BridgeLabz candidate who has successfully completed his fellowship program. Now he's working with Finonic Software Solutions as a full stack Java developer. Right, Azharuddin?
Yes, sir.
So how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. And you?
Okay. Azharuddin, I'm sure your audience is eager to know more about you. Would you like to tell us about, a little about yourself?
Yeah, okay. Thanks, sir, giving me this opportunity. Myself, Azharuddin. I'm from Kusina district, which is located in Uttar Pradesh. And there are 7 members in my family, including me. And my father is like a retired government servant, and my mother is housewife. Uh, let's talking about my academics. I completed my BTech in IT from Rajki Engineering College, Azamgarh in 2020. Yeah, that's about.
Okay, thank you for telling us. So, Azharuddin, what were your interests while growing up? What was it like?
Can you once again, sir? Your voice is a little bit breaking.
Okay, what were your interests when you were while you were growing up? Any hobbies?
Yeah, the hobbies currently in this age, the youngest I'm like coding and some software developments. I'm having interest and cricket. There is sports things. I'm also interested. Uh, that's the things.
Okay, okay, and what did you always, where this dream of becoming a developer come in your life? 'Cause after 12, 10,
Yeah, actually, there is a my I am having like mobile shop. My big brother is having mobile shop from when I'm in intermediate 12th. So after that, I'm just resolving the issue of like softwares related in laptop systems, all the things. So after that, I'm deciding that I want to become like computer science student and become like responsible software engineer. So I joined through like information technology BTech, and it's completed in 2020. So and after that, I am also interested in some coding things. Like I have done with like data science also, and this Java with full stack I'm doing through BridgeLabz. And while actually we are also like handling our college websites, only front end, but there is a no deep knowledge.
okay.
So I went through BridgeLabz. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So how old were you when you developed this hobby? Like, you said like you were going to your brother's mobile shop and you started doing the
Yes, yes.
software part of the mobile phone, which is quite interesting.
Yeah, yeah,
How
yeah,
old were
yeah.
you then?
That time I'm in intermediate. I'm only 15 years.
Oh wow. So that early. And you used to do the formatting and all that stuff, software installation in the mobile.
Yes, yes.
Wow. Interesting. Uh, now that you have completed, after BTech, when you completed your BTech, did you face any hurdles in getting a job or pursuing your dream?
Yeah, yeah, of course. Actually, I completed my BTech in 2020, and that time there is the like COVID-19 lockdown. So for that
Right.
reason, I didn't get any placements. Some of the company just visit my campus, but these are not the uh, IT background company. So after that, I'm just completed my BTech, and after 1 year, there is a lockdown open in 2021. So I visited, going through like Delhi, and giving so many interviews in so many companies, and waiting for the good job for me, who gives me opportunity to make my futures and my careers to become a more like responsible software developer. But I didn't got it. So for we have to like just for daily circles we need some money also. That's why I joined as a technical recruiter. So as a technical recruiter, I also realized that the software developer is more successful. So after that, I'm just in getting the link of from social media, BridgeLabz. So I am going through that websites. I saw the R. Ashwin, the Vichendra Ashwin is the brand ambassador of BridgeLabz. So and I am also a fan of the cricket. So I thought, yeah, this is the good way. So after that, I'm going to BridgeLabz and join that.
Okay. Okay. Interesting story. So now that you have become a, you have achieved your dream of becoming a developer, and you have become a full stack developer. How does it feel?
Yeah, it's feel good because in a technical recruiter, I'm just so pressurized. So many calls we have to done this. But in become a full stack Java developer, we analysis, we do all the things only technical. That is the interesting part of me. So I am happy with this.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. We are getting a hand raised. English. Guys, if you have any queries, you can ask them in the chat room. And once the interview is over, the interview will start taking answering your questions as well. Okay. So how this what is the difference between full stack Java developer and a Java developer?
Yeah, in Java developer, we are handling. I mean, Java developers are only handling related to Java, like Java backend and Spring Boot, REST API. These all the things only backend. It's happening in Java developer, but in Java developer full stack with Angular. I am become a Java with Angular full stack. So in this, what we have done, we have also handling the Java backend, Java, Spring Boot, REST API, Postman, so many things. Yeah, SQL developer, all the things in backend, as well as the front end Angular, Node.js, HTML, CSS, jQuery, JavaScript, all the things. We are handling both the things in
Wow.
full stack Java developer. Yeah.
Wow. So there is a lot of learning and lot of learning every day. I'm sure. So
Yes. Yes.
so many applications, but that all come under full stack development,
Yes. Yes.
right? Uh, So and what can you tell us about your organization, the Phoenix Software Solutions?
Yeah, it's a Phenonic Software Solution Private Limited. It's held in Bangalore. So the this company is it's also company like MNC. It's happening not more, but it's 10 to 15 countries, and my company is handling 30 to 40 countries bank. What we have done in there, yeah, we have just managed their servers, their backend front end part, what they need. If something servers down, so we are going to handle that. Yeah, like that, we are handling this. So we have also so many departments in our company, one is the where I am working like OBDX. So this is the newest and uh, greatest things. So OBDX, Oracle banking system, like that depends. So this is the in the future. This is the more impressive things. OBDX. We are using only
Okay,
Oracle parts of that things. Yeah, for using this, we are handling all the banking servers from mm, 30 to 40 countries.
wow.
Well, also we are working on back end and front end in our so many projects we are having for
Right.
this
So
also.
that is one perk of becoming a full stack developer. You get to know the
Yes,
front end as well the back end.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
and all the systems which could go along,
yeah.
for
You
designing a
can
web
you
application.
can fill up any position when you are become a full stack developer. You can fill up any position. But currently, I am at the position of associate consultant.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, what well, I'm just curious. Like, if one has to become a developer, like a full stack developer, prerequisite is if you have to follow a proper other channels of educational system. What are the requisites?
Can you repeat once? Your voice is breaking, sir.
Means, what does it take to become a full stack developer?
Sorry.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah. Now
What does
you
it
are.
take to become a full stack developer?
Yeah, for become a full stack developer, we have to require learning so many things like Java, Spring Boot. What I mentioned, na? It's upon you which language you are choosing, either Java, C Sharp, .NET, or Python. It is anything you have to choose, and with that, you are going through back end and front end also. So you have
Okay.
also knowledge in the DBMS and database also, computer network, operating systems, all the things we have to know about this. But you have to guide it from somewhere something. So the better thing is that you have to like for me we have to join the organization like BridgeLabz, and they are the mentors is so many helping me. They are
Mhm.
just provided me so many assignments and all the things. So we have to like completed that. While completing, we are getting so many issues, faces so many issues, errors. So for solving that, we are like going through step by step and getting the chance to become a developer.
So, 40% of our candidates who are placed through BridgeLabz are coming from non-IT background. Okay,
Yeah.
so but you have basically come from a IT background, right?
Yes. Yes.
Right. So, what difference do you can you say like BridgeLabs teaching is providing compared to your college or university from which you have completed the your degree, taken your degree?
Yeah, first, I think I want to say that there is no reason to become pressurized that I am non-IT background. There is no issue. The good thing is that Brilliant provided taking all the candidates have taking seriously, and there is no limit to like whether either you are IT background or non-IT background, and having your percentage is lower or greater. There is the no bind up from Greenland, so you can join and go through that. And in a training period, like we can say that like in session, mentors are taking up so many queries from candidates. They are either IT background or non-IT background, so
Right.
all are the equal parts of for them. Yeah.
Right.
And the
Yeah,
best thing is
definitely.
that in Brain Lab, they provided us like slots what we required. Suppose I am not able to take a session in day.
Okay.
I'm working another things, so they provided me as a session slot like evening 7 to 9, 6 to 8, or morning 8 to 10, or 7 to 9, like that. Yeah, that is a good thing for me.
Flexibility. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And also, our program is designed. It is more skill based rather than a certificate based program.
Yes, yes.
Because we don't believe in teaching, we believe in mentorship. So mentoring is a different part where you guide the person, how you can achieve a certain thing. Or in this particular case, like how you can learn a particular thing more efficiently.
Yeah.
So our program is designed mostly on a skill-based level. So we help you acquire that skill so that when you join the job, a workplace, you are ready from day one,
Yes, yes.
right? So uh, so now see, you had a dream, right, becoming a developer. Now we have achieved it. Okay, and that too in a great, big firm like Finonix. So where do you see yourself down the line? 5 years, 10 years. Where do you see yourself?
Yeah, of course. The thing is that I'm in. I say you in OBDX. There is a so good futures for me in become 5 years is too far. I'm saying only for after 2 to 3 years. Yeah, I want to become a more responsible person in my company as a first associate consultant, then senior consultant, like that. There are so many positions, so I want to become a more responsible person in my company. And I have I wanted to there is a giant tech company like Amazon, Google, Cisco. In that company I want to become a also developer. My favorite giant tech company two. One is the Amazon and second is Cisco, because Cisco is the only. I mean, it's the main part in like that. It's a networking, and
Right.
my networking is also so strong. So first I choices to become in Cisco. After that, in Amazon. So in 5 years, I wanted to work with that giant company.
Either one of the company.
Yes.
Great. So I think as we are done with the interview here, we can
Yeah.
start
Thank you.
addressing the questions which we have received in the chat room. We already have few
Okay.
questions here. Okay, so we'll start with Saloni Gupta's question. She wants to know: is every student in your batch placed in a company?
Sorry. Where
Uh,
is the?
are all the candidates who were there in your batch, okay, your
Yes.
batchmates,
Yes.
is everyone placed in a company?
Yeah, yeah. All batches in BridgeLabz, what they provided for me, they provided Java full stack with Angular, and some of the students provided a DevOps engineer. That is also good position, and it's
Right.
so many good futures for them. Yeah. So all the from my batch, all the candidates is placed.
How many candidates were there in your batch?
Yeah, it's a 22.
22.
Yeah, in my batch.
Okay. I hope Saloni, Azharuddin has answered your question. So
Yeah,
we have
Saloni
another
Gupta,
question. Next question.
yeah,
Sal-
one more question. In full stack developer, we want to expert in programming. From first things, of course, not expert, but we have to knowledge in programming. But don't worry about this. We have you are knowledge or not. So BridgeLab, while joining BridgeLab, from starting, they started the boot camp. In boot camp, you have to knowledge about some Linux command and all the things. After that, you are going through RPF batch, a regular fellowship program. In regular fellowship program, you have chosen anyone programming language, and they make you expert. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you, Azharuddin. We have another question from Rajendra Prasad. So Rajendra Prasad wants to know: I have done MBA in finance and BSc in computers. From the last 8 months, I was running full stack development course. Am I eligible for this company?
Yeah, you are eligible. First,
Uh, right.
this is the
So
100% guaranteed tech job program BridgeLabz. So you are eligible. Don't worry about it.
right, and I will share a form with you guys. Okay, and wherein if you fill the form, one of our counselors will get in touch with you. They will take, they will
Mm.
ask you for a CV. You can share your CV, and on the basis of that, you can also get scholarship percent, up to 50% of scholarship. So the guys fill this form, and one of our counselors will get in touch with you. You can share your academics with them, and then you can also avail the scholarship program, so which is up to 50%. Okay. Another question from Mohammed Khalid. Sir, I'm looking for job web developer. Sure, I'll pitch in for this. Okay, Hazruddin. So sure, you can
Okay.
become a web developer. Okay, and all you need to do is fill this form, and one of our counselors will guide you through the process. Okay. If you have any more questions, please type in the chat box here, and we'll be happy to answer you.
Yeah, of course.
Any more questions, guys? Nikhil, Sagar, Sarvanan, if you have any questions, please ask. Don't. What is the webinar exactly about? So webinar is exactly this webinar is exactly about guiding you through if you want to become a developer or if you want to get a job into the tech uh, and you are not finding a path. So we can give you a path with an experience. We have an experienced person here, Azharuddin, who at one time was also searching for jobs. As during COVID times, there were many people, companies were not hiring, and many people were not getting a job. So through this program, when he joined this program, and after completing the program, he is placed with Phoenix as a full stack web developer. I hope I've answered your question, Sejal. Questions, guys? Please don't hesitate to ask in the chat room. So I guess no more questions coming from the viewers. How much? Yes. Sorry, Vikash, but I don't have the you can't speak here, but you can ask your question in the chat room. How many interview rounds are there? I guess Azharuddin, you can answer this.
Yes, yes. When you join BridgeLabz, so after BridgeLabz, there is the no interview for joining any company. Yeah, only the company interaction which will happen because they know about yourself. Some like this, what we have done. First, we have introduced ourselves and our education, all the things. So there is a no interview. Only we have company interaction after mapping to the company.
Right, right. So, Saravanan, what Azharuddin wants to say, right, is if we have a we have a process in which we review every candidate before they are placed with the company. So before they are placed, we send your scores to the company, and company on the basis of your scores hire you without any interview. Okay, and only round which they have to go through is the introduction round, which is a formality because you're already placed in a way. So there are no interviews as such. Yes, there are for certain companies they have a mandate where they conduct a small interview before hiring anyone from BridgeLabz, even from BridgeLabz, but that is not the case for everyone. Uh, what will be the package? Package can vary from 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs. We have Rajendra. The package is varies from 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs, depending upon your tech stack and your total score. Which Sejal wants to know: is it free? So Sejal, we it is not free. We have you have to pay 50,000 plus GST, for the program, and which after which you have, but you are, and there is also a ISA program, which is done after you are hired. So, and that is a ISA program. It is deducted from your salary.
And 15 plus thousand is there is no need to pay in once at once.
Right,
You have to take in like a EMI. Don't worry about
right.
it. First, there is a registration fees only you have to pay first time. After that,
So
in
first you have to
monthly.
pay the registration fee of 3,000, and the remaining 47,000 plus GST you can avail it in 6 to 8 of installment payments,
Yes, yes,
right? So I hope I have answered your question. And Mohammed Khalid wants to know what is the CTC, sir? So CTC, I've already told you, like the CTC differs from 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs, depending upon upon the role, your role, and the
actually,
company's
they are just boosting your career. They want to you just to boost your career for in IT background. So
right.
it's
So
CTC started from 4 to 6, as sir say.
right.
Yeah, for fresher is also
Whether
good.
it's
No problem.
right.
That is the very
Cecil
thing.
wants to know whether it is suitable for freshers. So yes, definitely
Yes,
it is suitable for freshers, and we also have a program different for people who are already working in
yes, yes.
IT background or non-IT background, and they want to change their uh, stream of the profile. So we also have that. But definitely freshers, yes, yes. Oh, okay, so there is a question, another question from Saloni Gupta. Just like in company, there is usually 4 rounds aptitude, coding, technical, HR, so it will be there. Uh, Azharuddin, you can tell them your experience, how it
Yes.
was
Yeah.
from.
Yeah, yeah. While I'm joining BridgeLabz, there is a no interview and like these things. They started my bootcamp journey, and that bootcamp journey is going like 15 days. After bootcamp journey, I am going to like RPF. There is a regular fellowship program. In regular fellowship program, they like teach me Java core and Java advanced also, and like some of the like front end like Angular, Node.js, JavaScript also. And during my RPF, I got mapped to company Phenonix. So after the joining Phenonix, they moved me to like a CFP, Custom Fellowship Program. That is the what company required. That things we have to learn in CFP. Okay. After CFP, while completion or before completion CFP, a company come to us and just interact with us. There is a no coding round, technical round, anything. There is nothing happen. They just interact with you and provide you offer letter, and you go to join the company, and it's work from home. When work from home, so you got the laptop in your home destination. Also, you can
Right,
join the office from day one. Your salary will started as the same what you have to got placed. So there is a no aptitude coding or technical or anything rounds. So don't worry about it, Saloni.
right. Thank you, Azharuddin, for such a detailed answer. So, Saloni, I hope he has answered. Okay, so basically, as I already mentioned, this is a skill-based program, and which we help you develop your skills, and we also review you every week. So, and these scores are maintained and provided to the your employer as well. So, employer checks your scores, your aptitude, and everything comes under that. Coding, technical, everything comes under that. And HR negotiates the HR. The company HR is negotiate is in coordination with BridgeLabz per se, not the candidate. So we vouch for you. Okay, so we vouch for our candidates, like this candidate is this, and this is he's suitable for this profile, and accordingly you're placed. Okay, so I hope we have answered your questions, Saloni. Guys, any more questions? How many is achieved score?
Yeah, the see, there is a rating 5 star. You know, no? Five. So in five, you have to just got minimum as a three. When it's a three, your track score. So you got placed as minimum 4 LPA, and it's upon you when you are having a 4.5 or it's above track score maintaining for every week. They just track your score every week and taking in every week one session for what we have learned in this week, like that. So for that 4.5, if you are having more than that, so your CTC also increased.
Right. Right. So the scoring is to evaluate your performance. Okay. Because our mentors, what they do is like they'll guide you for a particular process, but you have to give your input. Even even this if the within this program you have to give your input, and you have to if you are getting stuck, the mentors are definitely there to help you out. But if you're getting stuck, you have to take the help of the mentors and complete your process. So that is the whole thing. And according to that, in seeing your input and dedication to your score. So I hope we have answered your question, Khalid. If you have any more questions, just let us know. We'll be winding up the session in few minutes, so please let ask your questions here. Locations. This is an online program, so the location is uh, not in question. Okay, yeah, the job location can differ because it depends on the company to company. Azharuddin here is placed in Phoenix, which is based out of Bangalore, right? Azharuddin, right? So, but
Yes.
for now, he is working from home. He is working from his hometown. Sometime in future, he will be called to the office, and he'll be working from there, right? So locations differ. Our
Yes.
candidates have been placed from in every city almost. Pune, Pune, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi.
Yes. Yes.
So the location is not a question. Any more questions? Okay. So I guess we are. There are no more questions coming from our viewers. But guys, definitely you can click on the fill this form, and one of our counselors will get in touch with you. Okay, and he will guide you step by step to the every, and you can clear all your doubts. There is no rush. Okay, we have a question from Saravanan.
Yeah. Yeah,
Saravan,
Saravanan, you are right. You are right.
for the course of teachers and life coding, for the score getting. Right, 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 Saravanan. So we are getting out of five, right? Yeah, out of five is fine, right? Not you don't have to get five every time. Out of five, right?
You have to just maintain above 3 in every week, and
Okay.
this is the good things. Yeah.
So, so I think we can conclude this session here. It was really nice talking to you, and thank you for all the insights you have given to our viewers. And thank you everyone for joining us today. I'm sure like you guys have achieved some kind of sort of confidence if you want to join this program. So if the score is not good, Saloni, you will
You will
be
placed. Don't worry. The score
you'll
is
be
not good.
placed, but you will be
They make you better.
maybe,
They make you better.
maybe the program will get extended for you. Okay,
Yes.
and they will the mentors will then again try to take you through the this process, but you will be placed you know a little bit delayed maybe, but yes, you will be placed. Don't worry.
Yes. Because in my batch, one person having like 2.9 track score, 2.8,
Okay.
2.9. But he maintained the in upcoming weeks. You have so many
Okay.
chances not to maintain that track score.
Right, right.
So
So, this is a
he
weekly
got blessed.
process, weekly review process. You'll come to know. See, starting from the and it is a 16 week process. So, if you are, if you come to know like you're falling behind in a particular week, you can definitely improve yourself in the coming weeks. So, it is not a problem. Okay. So, guys, thank you again. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for asking your questions and clearing your doubts. Azharuddin, thank you for being with us today,
Thank
and
you, sir.
we wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.
And and we hope to see you more often. We can do this webinar again sometime in future again.
Of course, I will
Uh,
be there.
I'm sure, and I really hope for you like you achieve your dreams. You're welcome, Khalid. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Saloni, everyone. Thank you. Bye, guys.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Bye.